Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. We are unboxing some fun stuff here, but you should follow me, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. We are unboxing the November Birchbox. The theme is keep in touch. It's all about reconnecting with your beauty routine. We got a little handy tip about reconnecting, so we'll get into that. And all the beauty products right now. So hey, we got the November Birchbox. Keep in touch. So it says this fall there's no better time to get connected with your job, your friends, yourself, and your beauty routine. There's little handy tips for doing that, along with a list of all the products in the box. You can reconnect with your friends by convincing them to sign up for a turkey trot. Yeah, not happening. So there's also reconnecting with your community by volunteering with volunteermatch.org. And then your beauty routine. Occasionally, your products need time to work their magic. When using a hair mask, cover it with a shower cap and let it sink in for 15 minutes. So here are all the fun beauty products, and somebody's going to get a bonus because guess what? I got a bonus. So first, these come together. It's the Davines Alchemic Shampoo Silver. It's for natural and color treated hair. It's a sulfate-free purple shampoo and conditioner to hydrate and maintain your hair's color, which my hair is not the right color it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be strawberry blonde. It was strawberry blonde for about 2 days and then faded into regular blonde. So I'm not happy about that. And it's about time to get it done again. So somebody's going to get yelled at. Gently yelled at. Because I'm, not evil. Then we have Dr. Jart Sick Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment with SPF 30. I do not know what color correcting treatment is, but apparently it looks green at first on your skin, and it seamlessly blends into color correct red spots. And I'm thinking that you put it on. Oh yeah, look at that. That was a weird green color. Assuming you put it on before, like after your moisturizer, before your primer and BB cream. So we'll test it out, find out what works, what doesn't. Then we have, if I can find it, wherever it went, we have, okay, I'm probably going to mispronounce it, Lise Watier Dramatic Intense 3D Volume Mascara, because, I have 6,000 mascaras, so what do I need? More mascara. So I'm also doing a little no makeup Monday here, but yeah, that'll change soon. And finally, I got Love a Color Lock. I got Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Aurora. However, there were 2 of them in my box. So one of my friends is going to get an eyeshadow. Yay! Because I've got 2 of them. So here we go. It's like a pinky rose color. Kind of nice. I do like the liquid eyeshadows. They're great, especially for traveling, because then you don't have to worry about anything happening to your eyeshadow and ending up with a pile of dust. So there's that. Then that is it on the November Birchbox. Follow me. Stay beautiful and have a happy Thanksgiving.